Hello everyone, so it is day 2 of our South Island, New Zealand adventure. We're currently on a 4-hour drive to the Hooker Valley track. It's one of the most famous, well, one of the most popular trails in New Zealand. So we got a little bit of a late start today, but for a very good reason. That being Jetstar managed to find SJ's luggage. Yay! So she's very happy and excited about that, as she was kind of cold last night. It got down to about 4 degrees with a wind chill factor of about 1 degree Celsius. For those who are familiar with Fahrenheit, it was about 34 degrees. But yeah, we're on a 4-hour drive now, and we'll arrive at the trail soon. So currently we are in dead stop traffic. There was a car sitting in the middle of the road that had a sign on top of it saying wide load following. It seems this must be a pretty wide load considering everyone's off on the shoulder.
So we were stuck in traffic because of this bridge. That truck was driving through this bridge, which was the reason why we had to stop. Wow, look at the view in front of me. I don't think you can see this as well as we can, but it is in front of us. The whole front area is of snow-capped mountains. Wow, it is so pretty. Oh wow. It is just mountain full of snow. This is Hooker Valley.
Well, the head to the Hooker Valley track.
It's 1:30. We've arrived at Hooker Valley. We're going for the walk now.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
The estimated time for the walk on the board was about 3 hours. Given that we'll be stopping a lot to take pictures probably, I'm guessing probably more 4 hours round trip.
It's supposed to be an easy walk, we'll see. I'll let you know after. Let's have a look at the map. So, we are here, and we're trying to go all the way up to...
We're going all the way up here to Hooker Lake.
So there's 1 swing bridge, 2 and 3. So hopefully we're going the right way.
Yes, we are.
Beautiful.
There's some tracks around New Zealand that take 3-4 days just to do. So beautiful.
Oh, there's water puddles everywhere.
It rained yesterday. We lucked out. I mean, with the rain last night,
yeah,
to have such a sunny, clear day, be able to see the mountaintops like this was really good.
There's a rock there. Freda rock.
Here we are at the first of the suspension rope bridges. It's a maximum of 20 people. I have no idea how many are on here at the moment.
Oh, it shakes as well.
It is a suspension bridge. It looks like there's probably close to 20 on here already. You got the Whitewater Rapids.
Does say maximum 20 people. Looks like there's more than that. All coming from the other side. Oh, it's shaky. Oh, here we go. Now it will be about less than 20. Whoa! So shaky. Whoa. Yeah, so recording a video again. That's what it looks like. The bridge is shaky. Kind of scary at the same time, but I'm nearly finished. So. And we're done. That was fun.
I don't know if you can see it, but you can see Lake Pukaki off there in the distance. Here's a river of glacial run from the snow-capped mountain there. And you could see people walking down the trail that we're going to be heading down. I believe, or maybe, hopefully about a third of the way there. And there's SJ at the bottom of the steps. But I'm gonna head back down to her now. Here we are, approaching the second rope bridge. This one is looking quite a bit longer than the other one. Isn't that right, SJ?
This one, not as many people walking on it as well, which is good. Because it was kind of scary when there was more than 20 people on the bridge, and they're like maximum 20 people. So this one, there's only 4
people walking
on it.
I think most of the people probably who went up this morning already came down.
Yeah, they were coming down mostly. We're going to be hopefully finished before dark.
That's the hope.
I'm not really sure though.
That's the hope, so we can get to our campground for tonight. We're gonna go freedom camping tonight, so no electricity. We have the maximum of 20 people again. This bridge,
Let me go first. Oh, shh.
a lot more bouncy. This bridge is a lot more bouncy than the other one. Just walk to the side. I think it's more bouncy in the middle. If you walk towards the side, you... Ooh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can hear that water roaring, but
Yeah.
it's crazy.
So we stopped off after the bridge and we sat on some rocks to have some sandwiches. And then we noticed 1 meter after
Picnic table.
there is a picnic table that we could have sat up. Anyways, beautiful. That is a waterfall. That is a waterfall. That is a waterfall. That is a waterfall. All coming from the top of the mountain.
We are now in the dark side of the mountain. We're in the mountain shadow. It's probably about good, maybe 5 degrees cooler than it is in the sun. And I love it. Here we are, bridge number 3, like the others, maximum load 20 people. This bridge, this one's probably the longest out of the 3, maybe. Bouncy, bouncy. There you have it, bridge number 3. we're almost to the end. Then we get to walk back. So we're heading downhill right now, and instead of having a path, it's more like a creek. So it's a lot of looking for the dry path, not muddy, not deep water spot. And just like that, we are here. Got a little chunk of ice floating over there in the water. I believe it's a glacier over there on the far side. I don't know if you can see it. I'll try taking a picture of it, see if I can get a little bit better image of it.
So we're at the Pukaki, Lake Pukaki freedom camping. There's a few caravans that are around. We just parked at the beginning. If you go up that way, there's like 2 hills. That's already pretty much full of camper vans. We tried going up there, but it was very uneven, spots left and things like that. So, ooh, there are toilets right next to where we are. So, looks pretty clean. Not too bad. Ooh, kind of like that there are toilets, because I don't really want to go in our toilet in our camper van. I have to clean it. Just pretty much says take your rubbish with you. Not sure what these things are for.
Donation boxes, maybe.
Hope we don't have to pay. I'm pretty sure this is there's 4 toilets that you can use, and we pretty much parked next to it. So
From what I've read, these are all brand new, just for the past couple of months.
and they have little rocks in front of them, so I think they want to have them open.
Yeah. The stench out.
But we parked sort of near the water. But at night, it doesn't look as blue and beautiful as it does during the day. Oh, did I lock the door? Yeah, and they're just sitting at the front. Oh, there's a rabbit. I don't think you can see the rabbits. They're running away.
Anyhow, so just a quick recap of our day. We got our bag back, which SJ is really happy about. From there, we did the Hooker Valley trek, which
how long did it take? About 4 hours, maybe?
Yeah, about 4 hours round trip, which I don't think is really too bad. I mean, we've done the Wineglass Trail trek down in Tasmania, and that was uphill. That was like tons and tons and tons of steps. This one, though, was relatively flat. I think altogether, like when you first arrive, you go down about maybe 30-40 steps. So after you finish it, you have to climb back up those steps. But overall, I thought the thing was pretty good. It was pretty easy. Views. Yeah, beautiful views.
I didn't think the end product was like as good, the glacier, but otherwise it was.
Yeah, the glacier was smaller.
You can barely see it.
I don't know if it's just a mixture of time of year and global warming, I guess. But yeah, it was pretty small from what I've seen pictures of. But it was still fun. I'm
very tired.
Yes, SJ's tired and achy. But yeah, currently, as SJ was saying earlier, we're staying on Lake Pukaki Reserve.
It's a freedom camp, so It's a place that we don't have to pay for, which is fantastic. The views are wonderful. Hopefully tomorrow morning we'll get some beautiful view shots of where we are. And there's toilets here, which is pretty good. Most freedom camps don't have toilets. That's why they're free, because you use a toilet in your camper van, I guess.
Yeah. I guess, well, the toilets were just recently put in. They're just long drop ones. But I believe the purpose for that was, I guess, everyone used to leave their droppings around.
And there's people tenting here, like, you know, they're camping here with tents, which I think is going to be freezing, so good luck. But, yeah, there's lots of people with tents here, and I see a lot of camper vans here that's not, doesn't look like they're
True self-contained.
But anyway, I don't know.
To each their own.
Yeah.